simple like a child, and way much better than the sound. 'Cause all you gotta do is shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, down and down. Here we go. To the front, everybody. Kimbo, all right.
Alright, thank you so much, Coach Seth. Ayan, ready na tayo. Mag-ready na po tayo para...
For the Balong Festival 2026. So this time, I would like to welcome our runners. So this is going to be a very good event, a very good start. Actually, it's a prelude to our Ibalong Festival 2026. So we're very happy and lucky because we're gonna celebrate our 25th anniversary for this year's Ibalong Festival. So again, congratulations, of course, definitely to the Run Coco Events and Solutions, headed by Sir Ray Mark Montas, and we have also the different partners, the organizers. We have different partners, of course, from the LGU, that of the PNP, that of the City Health Office, the PSO, and all other things. So, ang dami natin kailangan, ang dami expect natin. What will be our events. So, of course, nandun yung, of course, 3 major events natin. The grand opening, this will be happening on August 7. Meron tayong after the grand parade, we'll have the opening program and a concert by no less than, of course, the Parokya Nicolba. So that will be happening at 8 p.m. on August 7. Other than that, we have the Mutena Ibalong, so that will be happening August 21 also. And the rest, we have the street dance competition that will be on August 22. And then the grand closing party, or we call it Konsyerto Pasasalamat, will be happening on August 23. Well, we have a lot of soap events. Mangyayari dyan, ang dami natin. Job fair, we have the Taekwondo, we have the Karate, we have the Ibalong Zay, of course, definitely. So, Panghalang Pilipino. So, ang dami-dami pa dapat i-look forward for this 2026 Ibalong Festival. So, once again, welcome to Legazpi, Tapos Mukamo, and congratulations once again. Thank you.
Sir, isang happy 35th. Ayan.
Yan, Ibalong Festival.
Pang ano lang. Sige, wait lang. Pasok ka ng konti dito, sir. Wait lang.
Five kilometers, first place, 5064. Okay, sound check in. Kuya, diretso ka dito. SM301. 5105. Congratulations. 521. First place female category 5 kilometers 1 run. Another one, some 10 kilometers 027. Someone S10 106. S10 155. 10432. S10 254. S10 274. Female 5154, second place, tama ba? Second place. Another someone challenge S10 146. S10 090. S10 122. Kasi yung memory ko yan.
Nag-love ka siya sa
Baliktad.
Alin ba doon? Nag-gap? Kurang? Bakit game? Pinakainot?
S10 244. S10 241. Coming S10 040. S10 082. S10 110. S10 132. Alright, madami-dami to. S10 080. S10 0. Ano yan? Tita. 042 001.
Isa buwan.
Okay, female, S10 212. First female. S10 021. 5158. S10 240. S10 136. Congratulations, everyone. S10 Sir, bilis, dito po yung finish line. Alright guys, yung mga finishers na